Hello, guys. You're welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? How has been your day? Today, a quick one. We're going to be making juice, and we're going to be using our pineapple, apple, lemon, ginger, and banana. So, stay with me. Let's see how we make it together. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn up your notification bell. Come on, turn it on. Please share. Thank you. Let's get into it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we'll get our banana, apple, ginger, and lemon and pineapple washed and diced. So let's do it together. So I'm going to remove this. I want to give it a thorough wash. I'll cut this off. I'm using a lukewarm water. So I'm going to be peeling my pineapple. And trim out all. So I'll be dicing it. Cutting it to what my blender can take. Putting it by the side. So now I peel my banana. I'm only using one to sweeten to give it a little sweetening. I'm peeling my apple. I'm going to remove the seed in. I don't need it. Nobody needs it. So I'll cut it in bits. So I'll be scraping my ginger. It's already dry. So I'm just going to use my spoon to scrape it out. I don't need that much. Let's rinse it a little bit. So my lemon, I just need a quarter of it. I'm not trying to use it to detox. I'm getting the lemon zest out just to give it another flavor. So I'm removing the seed in and just so now I'm going to be putting them in my blender. Everything goes in. So I'm going to be adding in some water. And some apple. Cover it up. So I'm going to be sifting it so that I'll be able to get the first. You see, it's creamy. It's not that watery. So when you're making this juice, you find it creamy. So we're going to do this to remove all the shaft. I'm going to pour it into my jar and continue the process. This is a good way of getting yourself to have some fruits and your children. So it's very smooth, so I don't have to blend it the second time. So everything is out. So it's just for me to get rid of the shaft. And so you can see. So I'm going to look at it, the shaft, this you don't need. So we are throwing this away, or you put it in your farmer. So I'm going to pour the rest into my jar and allow it to settle for 2 to 3 minutes. Wow, it's ready now. You can see the color. It's looking so lovely. Wow. Let's pour out. You see how creamy it is. Banana and pineapple does a good job. Thank you for staying with us till now. Please do share, give us a thumbs up, turn off your notification bell, please. Share. Thank you for staying with me. I'm coming up with another recipe of our juice. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye from me to you. Bye.